One very simple way to use a gerund is a gerund as a subject. So if we have again this sentence, learning is awesome. This is the subject, learning, and the predicate is, with awesome being whatever else follows. So this can also happen with a sentence like this, learning maths is awesome, where you have a subject phrase. But again, learning maths is the subject, and is would be the predicate. So the subject in both cases here is the gerund. And that means you take a verb, take the ing form, and that is your subject. Buying a car is fun. Or buying a car is expensive. Going on holiday is wonderful. So this works really easily. And usually these gerunds are at the beginning of a clause in subject position, and usually the subject is at the beginning of a clause. So there you go, gerund is subject.